So, I received something today. This Aplomb Innopow professional UHF wireless microphone system. It looks like it's the WM-200, and it's looks pretty cool. It's a wireless microphone system, and we're gonna see what this is all about. If I can open this, I probably won't be able to. There we go. All right, let's see what's in here. The packaging feels nice. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. It's got a a handle there. It looks like this is meant to be a carrying case. And there's the back statistics, if you can see that. It's, let's see, frequency response 50 to 18K, XLR connectors, 2 channels, sensitivity is negative 105 dBm. Looks like it requires 2 AA batteries, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Alright, let's open this up. We got double padding. Oh. Comes with a user manual. Yep, it seems like it's pretty self-explanatory. Introduction, content. Looks like it's got a transmitter and microphones. Everything's labeled out pretty good. Got some troubleshooting. And a limited warranty. Alright. So, from the looks of it, it comes with AA batteries, which is nice. They look like Excel alkaline batteries, AA's, 4 of them. And we've got the antennas for the transmitter. All this is laid out pretty cool, pretty nice. We got a rubber band that fell off something during packaging. There's an XLR to looks like 1/8 mono. Oh no, excuse me. 1/4 inch to 8 inch male adapter. And the power. Alrighty. So this is the transmitter. We got it packaged pretty nicely. Yes, it looks very nice. It's yep, professional wireless microphone system receiver, the WM-200. Innopow, Innopow is the name of the company. It's got 2 volume meters and looks like RF, AF, and RF. Looks like some kind of connection. LED indicators and a power switch. On the back side, we've got 2 XLR connectors and a mix out. Well, that's cool. So it looks like we've got two microphone outputs as well as a mix out. And 2 antennas, which I'm sure these plug into. Very cool. Very cool indeed. And then it also comes with 2 very sturdy from the get-go. These microphones feel pretty sturdy. Yep, it looks feels solid. Yeah, feels like a solid microphone. On-off switch. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, so I'm guessing the batteries go in here. So I haven't read anything. It seems pretty intuitive. There's a seam in the middle here, and I'm just undoing this, and yep, there's the slots for the batteries. And let's see here. Cool that they provide the batteries. Very cool. Let's see if it's intuitive. This is like, I think this is metal. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is some form of metal. So is it? Oh, it is. It's diagrammed right here. Tells you which way the battery should go. So we will put them. Wait a second. A little catch there. Battery is the containers could probably be shaved out just a little bit more. The battery is doesn't slide super freely. That can be a good thing. It's nice and tight. Oops. And there we go. So now I turn on the on switch. Looks like it's turning on. It's got a channel. It looks like channel 4, frequency 513.8 megahertz. Pretty cool looking. Turn that off. Slide this back on. This is super intuitive so far. Yep. The threads feel nice and tight, nice and solid. It's hefty. It's I don't know how much it weighs, but it feels like an SM58 as far as sturdiness. Like this is not going to break if it falls onto a stage. And everything seems to be like solid metal. Got some good heft there. All right. Standard transformer. I actually don't know if that's a transformer. Looks like it, but okay, which way is this? There we go. Pretty standard, pretty easy to see where it goes. We're just going to plug this in here. Standard jack. Push this. Oh, lights right up. It looks beautiful. Channel A, channel B. Antenna 3, antenna 4. Let's plug these antennas in. Again, just kind of going off the cuff here. Seeing how intuitive this is. So far so good. Everything is packaged adequately. Yeah. This is it's got labeled 530 megahertz. There's a sticker on the antenna right here that says 530 megahertz. It's a tight fit. There we go. Nice, yeah, that is solid. Put this one in. That one doesn't go on quite as tight, but still a firm fit. Nice. Alright, so theoretically, we should be able to get a connection from this. So I'm going to flip this on. There we go. We got a green light there. Yep. RFB and AFB. And these volumes, so this is B. It looks like it's just automatically connecting to B. But I didn't have to choose any settings or anything. I mean, the volume sliders, not sliders, the volume knobs, pots, have a nice click. They've got weight to them. This is not something that is cheaply built. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Turn that off. Light goes off. Disconnect. Alrighty. Let's see what this thing should be used for. Okay, so it is, so it's a mono male to male, 1/4 inch, and it comes with an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch female to 8 inch male adapter. And my guess is that this is for the mix out. Right there would be my guess. And we will test that later. All right, let's get set up to see what this sounds like. All right, so I'm set up now, and we're going to do an audio test. I have not connected these microphones yet, so I'm not sure if it works or not, but I am of the opinion that we're just going to go. We're going to learn together. And so right now what you're hearing is me through a Shure SM7B, which is a pro-grade microphone. And we're going to see how the quality compares to the wireless. Now, my experience with wireless mics, first off, is not extensive. I don't have very much experience with wireless mics. I just haven't had the need for them. But the limited experience that I have had is that the quality is far inferior wireless to wired. And maybe I'll be surprised that this isn't the case. And so here we can make me a little bigger here, because we don't need a whole lot of real estate going to that DAW. All right, so the transmitter here has two male XLR inputs, And I've got this right here going to the first track on my DAW. So theoretically, when I plug this in, turn the mic on, I should hear stuff, and we'll see how the quality is. Got a nice click there, so let's see what happens here. I think I got the wrong microphone there. Oh, there we are. Check, check, check. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so first off, you can see back here. I'm not sure if you can see it. That there is a light that is going on when it receives a signal. And this, wow, the quality that I'm hearing is check, check. Okay, that's really good. That is really good. Check, check. That is not too far behind. Not too far behind. So this, I purchased this device for $100. The wireless comes with the 2 microphones, and the Shure SM7B is $400 for a single microphone. So they're not in the same category. They are. Wow, the quality of this microphone, and I always talk close. My lips are always touching the grill. Let's turn this up here. Check, 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 check. Oh, it's A. Okay. Check, check. Oh, wow. Okay. Just turning up the volume here, and that is getting very okay. That's max. That is max. That's very loud, and I'm not talking loud. When I sing, I'm going to sing much louder than I talk. And this is maxed. Wow, that quality. There's a little bit of a low end boom. I'm turning the volume back down here. Okay. So I'm probably at about 2 right now. I'm 3, probably 4 and 5. So about halfway through, we've got a solid signal. A very solid signal. That is pretty cool. So on the back of this receiver, there's 2 XLRs, so you can independently route either microphone. I'm going to switch. This is channel A. Let's switch to channel B. Check. There we go. This is channel B. Sounds just as good. Sounds just that is probably, and again, I don't have a whole lot of experience with wireless mics. That is amazing. That's probably the best sounding wireless mic I've ever heard. Check, 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 check. Yeah, the response is very close range. In my opinion, that's how a dynamic vocal mic should be, so it doesn't pick up surrounding noises. Wow, I'm impressed. The sound on this is impressive. It's very impressive. Wow. Check, check. Check, check, check. Yo, yo. Check, check. So there's a lot more low end on this mic, and of course the proximity effect. The closer you get, the more boomy it is. But my lips are on the SM7B just as much. Check, 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 check. Here, let's get a spectral analyzer. No. All right. So this is the waveform of this mic. So we've got a boom. It's a pretty crazy proximity effect. It's a proximity effect, but not a pretty crazy one. Sorry. And it's about the, I don't know, 150 to 300 hertz. Let's see what the SM7B is. Yo, hello, hello. Yeah, that's got a lot more mid push. A lot more mid push. This is got a, yeah, you can see just right there the low mids. The low mids, just the lows. It's from about 100 to 400. And this one is got a much flatter response, but again, it's not comparing apples to apples. This is 4 times the price for one microphone wired, and this is significantly cheaper and quite frankly, much better quality than I thought it would be. And both channels seem to be working pretty good. Not a whole lot of settings. I don't see any way to change the channels or the frequencies at all. There's no there's nothing, no configuration possibility at all. So hopefully there's one thing I can see is a competing frequency. If that's the case, then it seems to me like you'd be dead in the water or competing for the same frequency. Let me get out the manual and make sure that's the case. One thing, these microphones are pretty solid. They feel they're metal. At least if they're not metal, there's something that feels like metal. The on-off switch is in a place, and this is something that is really cool. The on-off switch is in a place where you're not going to accidentally hit it. The on-off switch is just a sliver. It's just not a big button, but a sliver, and you can see it, I think, right there. It's pretty hard to switch, and it's sunk in the side there. So your thumb, if you're holding it, you're not going to accidentally turn that microphone off. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like this. I'm impressed. Let's go see if there's any configuration that we need to do if we can change the frequency. And then I think we'll be done. But I'm excited. I will probably use this, or at least have the option to offer my bandmates wireless microphones. Huh. Pretty cool. Let's see. They claim that they can go 75 feet. And I'm going to walk outside. And we're going to see how this range is. Probably not the most professional thing to do, but I'll be able to hear this outside. Check, check. Yeah, we're still good. Still good, yes. I'm going about 50 feet away now. Yeah, about 60 feet. 70 feet. 80 feet. Let's see, I don't even know. Can you still hear me? I'm not sure. We're about 100 feet away now. coming back about 70, about 50, 40, 30, about 20, about 10. So I don't know when it cut out. I got so far away that I didn't know whether it was on or off, but we'll figure that out later. Cool. So yeah, you're pretty hooked up if you get this. All right, let's see if we can switch channels. All right, we've got the manual here. Yeah, it does not seem like it. There's nothing that can switch the frequency. So you are stuck with the frequency that they give you. Yeah, howling. Let's see here. Yep, I think that there's no obvious way that I'm seeing for you to change the frequency. And if anybody owns this and is listening to this or watching this and knows that how to switch the channel, then let me know. But I mean, for $100 you get 2 wireless mics that has pretty good quality for the price. So yeah, that is my unboxing and review of the Innopow and the Innopow. Let's see here. Yeah, Innopow. WM-200 wireless microphone system, and yeah, it's got 2 mics that function really well. The sound quality is really good, and I think it's valid. It's high value, pretty high value. But anyway, keep rocking, keep making music, and as always, make it great.